What's up, guys? We've got a SVRII-48. This is a brand new 25 model Kohler fuel injection, 25 horsepower. We're selling this for well, I'm not supposed to say how much we're selling this for, but here I wrote it down in big letters. $84.99. It is $11,299, I believe, and we're doing a $2,800 K&G mower rebate. That's how I'm supposed to word this. So this is the cream de la cream for mowers. This is your V-Ride with the Velocity 2 deck. This is a cutting dude right here. I also got the 52-inch. It's $87.99. I got plenty of them in stock right now. We can ship anywhere in the United States using the Hot Shot company. So yeah, y'all get on board. We've also got the big V-Ride. Oh yeah, the XL for $11.9. We'll be the cheapest in the nation on all these prices. Oh, we got some of these left for like $2 grand.